Carrots are a staple vegetable known for their vibrant orange color, but they also come in purple, yellow, red, and white. The orange variety, popularized in the Netherlands in the 16th century, became favored for its sweetness and vibrant color. As a root vegetable, carrots have been cultivated for over 1,000 years and are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for good eyesight. This nutritional benefit has made carrots a key part of diets aimed at promoting eye health. Carrots are versatile in cooking. They can be eaten raw, offering a sweet crunch, or cooked in various dishes like soups, stews, and salads. Carrot juice is another nutritious option. Not just for humans, carrots are also enjoyed by animals like rabbits and horses, thanks to their high fiber content and natural sugars. In summary, carrots are more than just a common vegetable. With their range of colors, health benefits, and culinary versatility, carrots are an interesting and valuable addition to any diet.